Are you looking for the best gift for kids? In this video, we will look at some of the top best gifts for kids at stoweyjoey.com. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 5 we have Kids Coloring Tablecloth. Entertain your kids while you prep dinner. It's measures 54 by 110 inches. Use washable markers and it's really great for birthday parties. Totally reusable and machine washable. At number 4 we have Scratch Paper Art Set for Kids. Super valued scratch art party favor combo. Spend quality time with your litter artists, and create the most mesmerizing rainbow-colored masterpieces, while strengthening your bond. Made of premium paper and nature wooden stylus. No odd flavor, no toxic powder, so kids can draw amazing creative artworks safely. Easy and educational art craft. This scratch paper crafts brush solves the problem to sweep black surface matte, without the kids' hands directly. At number 3 we have Montessori Busy Board, which is called educational toy. A Montessori toy is one that stimulates learning by encouraging kids to experiment. These Montessori Busy Board for a toddler on this sensory board with 10 activities that help kids to develop their fine motor skills. Assists your lovely toddler to practice hand-eye coordination using real-world challenges. It is the puzzle you never knew you always wanted for your kids. At number 2 we have Magnetic Wooden Fishing Game Toy for Toddlers. Capture the surprising face of kids when they received this fun fishing toy combo and go fishing. One of the greatest memories of your life with your beloved one. Just use a cat doll magnet to search and pull fishes under the iced lake. And place all wooden fish on the fishing pond or the ground. At number 1 we have Tetris Wooden Puzzle. This wooden puzzle stimulates strategic planning and thought formation. The beautiful colors on this wooden puzzle liven the sight, and engages your little one in educational play. Let your little one grows up with a puzzle that aids in eye-hand coordination, and color and shape recognition. Parents will love this toy for the simple and clean design that can be used until the toddler years.